Today I'm going to do a long overdue update on the Ecocube's Aloe Vera. This is the only Ecocube that I've actually had a bit of success with. And you can see that I've got 3 aloe vera plants in there. And their medium has gone down. So I think it is time to repot it and transfer it over to some Miracle-Gro and see if it can get do any better. I'm honestly not sure how to transfer it because there's no way to get this little... Maybe we can get this cup out. Let's see. Oh, the cup does come right out. Look at that. And it's actually just in a little paper cup. There we go. It's just an empty cube. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to, I guess, cut that open. Let me just grab some scissors. So I can get down to the roots without causing any problem. And do it all over the pot here in case something falls out. Let's take a look at what we got in here. There we go. Let's go the other way now. I have been making sure it doesn't dry out. But even so, it's gone for a couple of weeks without watering, so they are pretty hardy. There we go. Let's make some room here for it. Now I'm just going to give it a quick watering. Thank you for watching the Paper Cup Garden's quick update and repotting of the Ecocube's Aloe Vera. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.